All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So indeed. Indeed. Yes. Quite correct. Yeah. Quite correct. That was indeed a popular hairstyle. Yeah. Indeed, it was popular. Indeed, it was popular. Yeah. Indeed, they did hear you correctly. I was there indeed. I was there. I was there indeed. Yeah. She is correct indeed. She is correct. She is correct indeed. Yeah. We know what to do indeed. We've done it before. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. They were indeed here. They were indeed here. Where else were they? Yeah. I was indeed there with you. Yes. How cool is that? I am indeed the right person to talk to. I am indeed the only person that can help. Only person that can help. How cool is that? Yeah. She will be indeed at the saloon. They will indeed be here tonight. How cool is that? Yes. So I am always learning more Spanish indeed. Every day my Spanish gets a little stronger. It is indeed getting stronger. It is indeed growing. It is indeed getting more complex. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use indeed in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.